Welcome to Alphabet Friends TV, where letters come to life. Hi, Alphabet Friends! Today's letter is R. All ready to race into learning? R says R in, like rainbow, robot, and rocket.
R is for rainbow cone, full of colors after the rain.
R is for rabbit, fast and fluffy. R is for robot, a helper made by people.
R is for rocket, zooming to space.
R is for rose, magnificent, a beautiful flower. R, R, R. Say it with me. R like rabbit, robot, and rainbow. Which ones start with R? Yes, rose and rocket. Fun fact: rockets travel faster than sound.
Look at all our R friends together!
R is for ring tuxie, shiny and round. R is for river, moving water to the sea. R is for rope, strong and twisty. R is for road, the way cars travel. R, R, R. Clap your hands for R. R is for rug, Ewing, soft under your feet. R is for raccoon, clever and curious. R is for rain, drops from the sky. R is for rope swing, Jed, fun in the park. R is for row, moving the boat with oars. R is for ring, Jen, toss and score. R is for reef, a home for sea creatures. R is for rainbow, Nellied, where colors meet the sky. Great job learning the letter R. Next time we'll meet the letter S. Thanks for learning with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ABC fun.